Two hearts once met and chose one road, not knowing all that life would show. Through sunlit days and storms unknown, they vowed they would not walk alone. A gentle word, a quiet smile, can heal the weary heart a while. In patient love they learn to see that strength is found in harmony. For love is more than passion's flame, it grows through trust, through time, through pain. A step once yielded, pride set free, can guard the bond of unity. Together they build dreams and home, through years that swiftly come and go. The work they share, the lives they raise, become the treasure of their days. And when the silver years arrive, with quieter nights and slower stride, they sit and smile at all they knew, the storms they passed, the joys they grew. For husband and wife, like branches grown from one strong tree, are never alone. Through wind and rain their roots hold fast, their love made deeper as years pass. Time moves swift as arrows fly, and life is brief beneath the sky. So, hand in hand, through joy and test, they walk together, blessed and blessed.